Hi everyone and welcome to CiaoBedBugs. Discover the power of everyday objects that you already have in your home. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to fight these parasites with household items. Let's get started. Household item number 1 to get rid of bedbugs. Iron steamer. First, you should know that bedbugs will die when exposed to high temperatures. That is why you can kill bedbugs with an iron steamer. Here is how you should proceed. Use a handheld garment steamer or iron steamer on a high heat setting. Direct the steam at infested areas like mattresses, bed frames, furniture seams, and crevices in and around your bedding area. The heat from the steam kills bedbugs and their eggs. Household item number 2, duct tape. When bedbugs come in contact with the tape, their legs and bodies get stuck to the adhesive. Here is how you should proceed to trap bedbugs with duct tape. Wrap a piece of duct tape, sticky side out, around the legs of your bed frame and other furniture. Bedbugs trying to climb up or down will get trapped on the tape. Regularly replace the tape to maintain its effectiveness. With this trick, you can isolate your bed from these monsters. Household item number 3, vacuum. Vacuuming for bedbugs physically removes bugs, eggs, and disrupts hiding spots, reducing the population and providing an immediate impact. Here is how you should vacuum for bedbugs. Thoroughly vacuum your mattress, box spring, bed frame, and other furniture using a brush attachment. Vacuum cracks, crevices, and seams where bedbugs might hide. Dispose of the vacuum bag immediately or clean the vacuum canister with hot, soapy water. Household item number 4, hairdryer. Heat kills bedbugs. This is why hairdryers can have results on bedbugs. Here is how you should use a hairdryer for bedbugs. Hold the hairdryer close to the infested area and use the highest heat setting. Slowly move the hairdryer over the surface, ensuring the heat reaches all potential hiding spots. Maintain a steady heat and keep the hairdryer on each area for a prolonged period to ensure that the heat penetrates deep enough to kill the bedbugs and their eggs. So in conclusion, as you saw, yes, you can do it on your own, on a budget and without expensive insecticides. Check out the description for additional items to get rid of bedbugs on a budget and on your own. These are my own picks, offering the best value for your investments. See you in the next video. Bedbug fan.